So what's the big deal? Why does it matter to know your why or your life purpose or your legacy? To know what you stand for in this life? I see it as beginning with the end in mind. When you know and you're clear on your legacy or your destination, how you live your life becomes so much easier. Knowing your legacy is like having a roadmap for your life. It takes out the guesswork, that there's no more wandering aimlessly, trying to figure things out. When you have meaning and purpose to your life, it drives and fuels every decision that you make. Your decisions, your behaviors, your actions, all which impact the results in your life. When we know our legacy and we know who we are and who we want to be, it helps us to prioritize all areas of our lives, including how we devote our time, our talents, our efforts, our energy, where we lend our voice, people who we spend time with. Knowing your legacy helps give full purpose and focus to your daily actions and routines.